Hello everyone, here's Jewellery from Russian Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a big sage tray. Look at here. It is made by wet press from bamboo pulp. It is molded in this shape. It doesn't need to extra coat to make. The surface it is very smooth, and on the one side it is have some mesh texture. In addition, there is a groove to place the product. It is have a good holding effective in the product, and all products has a true zero pollution, zero addition, zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. Jewellery achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. And if you want to design a unique poultry package, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. Thank you for your watching. Bye.